Hello students, today we have to start with the last topic of the third module, that is the further applications of indifference curve, and there are the two more extra applications we have to consider. How the rate of interest and saving are to be related, how the rate of interest and saving to be expressed with the help of indifference curve analysis, what is the trade off to be takes place between the rate of interest and the saving. Similarly, how the trade off to be takes place with the help of your consumption and your let us say waste rate, or in the other way that is called the what is the trade off is to be takes place between the leisure and wage. What is the wage rate and the leisure, whether you have to prefer more leisure, less wage, or more wage, more leisure, or vice versa, whatever the case may be. We have to study these two applications. Those are the last concept of your indifference curve analysis. We have to start with the wage and labor supply. Wage and labor supply. The wage and labor supply means here we have to take the trade off between the leisure and consumption. That is what is the trade off? The trade off between wage rate and leisure. We have to take the relationship between what is the trade off it takes place between leisure and your wage rate. Normally कौन कहते लोक माने चाहते अधिक अधिक काम करिया पे अधिक वेज पाया पे, बट अप टू व्हाट एक्सटेंट. सपोज आमे कौन करछे ना लेट्स से 1000 रुपीस पाउचे फॉर द 1 आवर, लेट्स से 2000 रुपीस फॉर द 3 आवर्स, 2 आवर, 3000 for the 3 hour, 4000 for the 4 hour, 5000 for the 5 hour, and so on, 24,000 for the 24 hour of the working. Then what next? If you try to know, I have to be increasing 30 hours continuously without any disturbances, 30 hours, 30,000 rupees you have to receive. Then what? That reflects that when the number of hour increases, your wage rate increases. But is it so? Is it so that in all the cases we have to find that the consumer try to consuming try to using his labor hour to sacrificing the leisure? Because if you increasing the labor hour, because in a 24 hour a day, if you are consuming let us say the 5 hour of working and the remaining 19 hours of the leisure, but that hour of working and the leisure considering the wage rate, how this wage rate and leisure they have to be trade off, that we have to study right now. Okay. So, that means here we have to take the bundle of commodities at the leisure and work. We have to take into account how much of leisure and how much of work we have to take into account. Whether you have to try to work more less leisure or less leisure more work. तुम देखिथिबो जो माने काम करछन्ती, जो माने normally if you take the case of your construction sites, in a construction sites विभिन्न प्रकार लोक सब काम करछन्ती. That means those who have to be mixing the cement and your sand and so on, and some people take the मिस्त्री जो माने राजा मिस्त्री हिसाब काम करछन्ती, जो माने लेबर अछन्ती, आउ जड़े अछन्ती. तुम देखिथिबो in the very morning they have to be entering into that particular site and say what to do, what not to do, and the latter part of the evening you have to once again enter into it and say what the construction is going on up to what it will be completed. So, there are the three categories of persons are there. Those have to be working the daily, that is a wage rate, all have to be in the terms of the wage, no doubt, but who receiving the more wage? The supervisor receiving the more wage but less work, but those who have to be mixing the cement and rods or something else, they are receiving the less wage but they have to be the more work. So, ये हमें देखिया पहुँचे अधिक काम करचंदी कम पेमेंट पाउचंदी, आउ जने काम कम करचंदी पेमेंट अधिक पाउचंदी. So, we have to study that part right now, what you have to prefer, whether you have to prefer more leisure or more work. because we have to take the terms of the work with the leisure, that things we have to considering to be here. We have to take the trade off between the work and leisure, and taking into account the work and leisure, the consumer is equilibrium at a particular point. The consumer is equilibrium at a particular point. If you take the case of your rate of substitutions, तुम कौन चाहिए मु अधिक रु अधिक काम करी अधिक वेज रेट पाइबापी, बट तुम बॉडी सपोर्ट करने पर्यंत तुम काम कर बॉडी सपोर्ट न कर कौन कर तुम चाहिए लेट्स से 24 आवर काम कले स्टिल 24,000 पाइले लेट्स से 30,000 तुम पाइबापी 30 आवर नॉन that means without any break we have to continue up to the 30 hour. Is it so? No, it is not so. So what you do now, we have to take the terms wage rate increases, your work rate is to be increases, no doubt. Initially wage increase, leisure to be sacrifices, the wage increases means leisure sacrifice work more, but after a particular point, up to a saturation point, after a saturation point, we have to take the what the rate of substitutions, what the rate of substitutions between the work and leisure. If the rate of substitutions between the work and leisure, that means the rate of substitution is to be work and leisure is to be more than the wage rate. तुम जदि sacrifice करछ तुम leisure को मन रख दीटा जिनस गोटे sacrifice करछ leisure को, that means काम करछ अधिक अधिक leisure को sacrifice करछ काम अधिक करिया पई, you have to sacrifice leisure for the purpose of the work. If the wage rate increases, if the wage rate increases, that reflect it's okay, but up to what extent तमें लीजर को सैक्रिफाइस करिवा अधिक काम करिवा पई, अधिक काम करिवा पई, वर्किंग आवर को बढ़ेवा पई, ना व्हाट द पर्पस, ना वेज रेट इज टू इंक्रीजेस, दिस इज द वर्क एंड दिस इज द वेज. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स अधिक लीजर कम तमें अधिक काम करिवो, लीजर को सैक्रिफाइस करिवो, वेज रेट बढ़िवो, बट ए जिंस चलिबो अप टू सर्टेन एक्सटेंट पर्यंत तमरो वेज बढ़िवो, ठीक अच्छे वेजटा बढ़ुची, काम कले वेज बढ़िवो, किंतु लीजर को सैक्रिफाइस करछ, किंतु आफ्टर ए पॉइंट तुम चाहिए ना ना आम लीजर को कम सैक्रिफाइस करवा, तुम लीजर चाहिए अधिक, तुम अधिक लीजर चाहिए, वेज भी अधिक चाहिए, अल्टीमेटली व्हाट इज द गोल ऑफ द कंज्यूमर, ना लीजर अधिक वेज अधिक, बट कामटा को आम कमेवा भी चेष्टा करवा, but that is the ultimate goal. And during that time period the labor supply, this is the supply of labor na? The labor supply curve initially upward sloping, the labor supply curve initially upward sloping, that means wage rate भी increases along with the supply of labor. Supply जितनी तमें number of work hour, that working hour जितने number of hour working टा अधिक बढ़िबो तो wage rate बढ़ी चलतु, but after a particular point आमे देखिबा it is a backward bending supply curve. Supply curve at this particular point, a point पर saturation point पहुँचला परे supply curve टा backward bending है जिबो, that means तमें चाहिबो अधिक wage पाइबा पई कम काम करिया पई, that means अधिक मु leisure चाहिए, right? That we have to show to here right now. Now if you plot in the the graphically, we take into account on horizontal axis how much leisure is to be that. Here we have to take the trade off, considering the trade off here to be consumption, and at this situation this is the consumption and this one is to be the leisure, we have to take into account leisure. Given wage rate, the budget line is given and the consumers is it to be equilibrium when the indifference curve tangent to the price line PL at the point E1. This is the initial point of equilibrium, and always the consumer try to consuming this much of leisure and this much of consumptions, means income, right? And here is the point of the equilibrium. Now if you try to take into account your leisure to be increases, your leisure to be increases, if wage rate is to increases, if leisure to be fall, again wage rate to be increases. The concept is to be differ to be that the persons have, let for example the persons have the, we have to take into account some numerical example in order to understand the concept to be here. Suppose a person have 100 hours per week for the work at day, or hourly wage rate with the 50, hourly wage rate केते अछि ना 50, this is the rupees 50 पर आवर 1 आवर काम कले से केते पाइबो ना 50 रुपीस पाइबो तापर केते अछि केते टोटल अछि आवर ना ए पर्सन हैव 100 आवर्स पर वीक दैट मीन्स से केते सप्लाई ऑफ लेबर तबा करजे ना 100 आवर्स ऑफ वर्क इन ए पर्टिकुलर वीक गोटे वीक रे से 100 घंटा काम करि परिबो राइट एंड प्रति घंटा से चाहूचे ना 50 रुपीस पाई राइट ताहले से केते काम करि परिबो केते पाइबो टोटल वेज रेट केते जदि पूरा इंटर 100 आवर को यूज करिवो ताले से केते पाइबो ना 1 आवर रे पाइबो 50 100 आवर रे पाइबो केते ना 5000 रुपीस द टोटल that is the 5000 rupees he is able to consume I mean he is able to earn if he spent in a week enter 100 hours that is the point to be here that means if you are considering the term the equilibrium point is to be here suppose you have to take this one here is the 100 hours of that is the 100 hours of the work to be available for him and maximum he is able to receiving the point now 5000 this is the extreme to extreme cases are there that means ता पाखरे केते टोटल काम करिया पई अछि ना 100 hours 100 hours of the working in a particular week and केते पाइबो टोटल ना 5000 so this is the two extreme this is the budget we have to take into account considering the budget line is to be like this now he is in the equilibrium at the point E1 at the point E1 he is in the equilibrium now what happens suppose when the increase in the wage rate suppose तारा wage बर्तन constant अछि wage केते अछि ना 50 rupees per hour अछि suppose increase in the wage rate now if it increases the wage that is the wage increases from the 50 to the 100 ताले कोन हबो if the wage increases from 50 to 100 now the price that is the consumption line the budget constraint from the LP is to be moved from how much it to be increases to P1 instead of P it to be the P1 why it is so because जदि से 50 टंका पाउथला 100 घंटा काम करी केते पाउथला 5000 टंका पाउथला वर्तमान से कोन कर सेही 100 घंटा ता कामटा त लीजरटा बढ़ाई परिबनी त जति वर्किंग आवर इट बी फिक्स वर्किंग आवर टू बी फिक्स इन अ पर्टिकुलर वीक सो 100 रुपीस पाइबो त टोटल केते पाइबो ना इट बी 10000 rupees right now he to be receiving the 10,000 rupees per hour 100 hours of working that means it to be 10,000 rupees to be that this to be 10,000 rupees now if it is so if it is joining the points we have to find the new price line the new budget line that is called the OP1 and he is in a separate point of the equilibrium now the equilibrium is to be where equilibrium is to be changes now the equilibrium is at the point let us say the E2 where the indifference curve IC2 tangent the budget line that is the P1L right P1L what do you find initially केते से काम करथला वर्तमान से काम केते करछि वर्किंग आवर केते होछि वर्किंग आवर reduces it to be reduces wage increases it to be reduces that means when the wage rate increases जेतला अगर 50 टंका थिला 100 घंटा काम करथला वीकली पाउतला 5000 टंका now weekly wage रे increase कला from the 50 to 100 से केते पाउची ना 10,000 rupees से पाउची वर्तमान ताले हम कोन देखिया पाउची ना जेतले से enjoy less leisure enjoy the less leisure it to be the more work is to be taken into account and if the more work to be taken then the supply curve is the upward sloping why the supply curve to be upward sloping supply curves in case of your if the wage rate to be increases if the wage increases we find the upward sloping supply curve it is so because substitution effect the positive substitution effect is greater than the income effect positive substitution effect is greater than the negative income effect therefore we find the supply curve we have to find the supply curve is a upward sloping supply curve supply curve is the upward sloping this is the supply curve is the upward sloping curve and here we take into account the wage rate and this one is to be the number of hour it will be working for your the consumption purpose that is the how much of labor supply the number of hour it will be the supply that is the labor supply the labor supply is to be increases, the number of working hour it to be increases when wage rate to be increases. कहीं ना से sacrifice कर लेजर को से लेजर को sacrifice करके से कहीं अधिक काम करिया पे जिते अधिक काम करिवो से अधिक इनकम अर्न करिवो. Therefore we find the supply curve is a upward sloping supply curve, but it is not always to be takes place. It is not always to be takes place. If we after a certain level of wage rate, when wage to be increases up to a certain extent, then he tried to consume, they had to try to receiving more leisure instead of work, right. যেতବେଳେ more leisure instead of work করিব সেই কেসে কোন হবো supply curve টা upward sloping হবো, but after a point it will be the backward bending, right. How it is? So we have to show it to you in the second case. Here we take into account the wage to increases. Now in case of your the equilibrium point, instead of this one to be here, where the backward bending to be that means when the second point of the equilibrium to this side, because you prefer more work than the leisure. But after a point he will no, I have to take more leisure. If we try to the more leisure, then what happened? The equilibrium point instead of your E1 it moved to the left, that means the that is the upward but the left side of it, then in the second point it will be the right side of it and up way, then in that case the supply curve to be a backward bending supply curve. I have to show you right now. Here is the consumption and this is the leisure. Initially the price line is to be, let us say PL, and the equilibrium to be takes place at here IC1 E1. It money with the wage rate is given and number of hour or working hour also with the given and so on. This is the let us say 5000 and this is to be how much? The 100. This is the initial situation, right. Now if the wage rate to be increases, if the wage rate to be increases, then definitely the supply the price line move from OP to OP1, from OP to OP1. Now the second point of equilibrium at here, let us say assuming it E2 IC2 initially back side थिला बर्तमान आमे एपटे नौचे जेतरा एठी नौचे आमे कोन देखुचे ना he tried to prefer more leisure. If the consumer tried to prefer more leisure, when wage rate increases, price line shifted and he enjoy right now more leisure instead of work. If it is the price line, the consumer tried to prefer more leisure instead of work, in that case the supply curve must be a backward bending. After a point it will be the backward bending supply curve. This is the, you take into account the wage rate and this side is to be supply of labor or number of hours supply to be takes place, how much hour to be supplied. So after this particular point we find, what we find, the consumer try to prefer more leisure instead of work if the wage rate further increases. So in this pattern, what is the relationship between the wage and labor supply to be takes place, okay. Now we have to move to the second, the last bit, how, what is the relationship to be between the rate of interest and household saving. Rate of interest and household saving. What is the relationship? What is the trade off to be takes place? And in this situation, the trade off to be takes place between the consumers, whether that we try to consuming more or save in the future. So consume more or save for future. This is your trade off. आमे वर्तमान कंजम्पशन करिबा किबा सेविंग करिबा फ्यूचर पाई, that we have to take into account. Next, then what you find to be here, if the rate of interest, considering the term rate of interest, from the rate of interest point of view we have to judge whether we have to consume more or save more, right. Considering that, now if they take into account the consumption on the horizontal axis and the vertical axis and the consumption at the present and the consumption of the future, this is the two bits we have to take into account, consumption consumption, this is the future, and consumption now. आमे वर्तमान कंजप्शन करिबा किबा फ्यूचर कंजप्शन करिबा, that is to be decided, and considering that the price line is fixed, let us say we take into account PL, the price line is to be fixed. Now equilibrium point is to be the E1 here, where the indifference curve IC1 tangenting to it. Then what the concept to be, what are the things are given? Now bundle of goods has to be that the consumption today and the consumption in the future, that we have to decide whether to consuming present or the consuming future. Then relative price we are comparing with the rate of interest. Here the price of the product we compare with the rate of interest, and where the indifference curve tangent to the price line, we have to know that is the point of equilibrium. That means the budget constant tangent to the budget constant means the consumption between the two periods, whether the old and the, that is called the new one, or the future, or it will be the present. We have to considering that part it we take into account. Suppose we take the two situations, one is to be increasing rate of interest, we take the simultaneously right now, we take the both the concept to be here. Here is the initial point of equilibrium, right, and the initial equilibrium to be here, IC1, E1, this is called the future consumption, and this is called the present consumption, present consumption. Now we have to considering the term rate of interest with the saving. आमे जदि कंजप्शन बर्तमान करिबा ताले सेविंग करूने, जदि कंजप्शन फ्यूचर रे करिबा बर्तमान सेविंग करे, that things we have to remember it here. Now search with the increasing rate of interest. If there is an increase in the rate of interest, what happen? If the high rate of interest is that, जो the high rate of interest है तार कौन करिबो, हमारा प्राइस लाइन टा चेंज हे जिवो, फ्यूचर कंजप्शन पई बढ़ी जिवो, प्रेजेंट कंजप्शन टा कांस्टेंट रहबो. जो the high rate of interest है जिवो, high rate of interest, high rate of interest, then the price line move from OP to OP1. Now what do you find? The consumer try to consuming here, the IC2, he try to consume in the future, present consumption is to be less, future consumption is to be more. That means higher rate of interest, the budget line shift from OP to OP1, that leads to the lower consumption when is to be the young one. That means the present consumption will be less and future consumption is to be more. That things we have to remember. राइट, जदि हाई रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट हो गला आमर वर्तमान कंजप्शन कन्स्टांट रखा, फ्यूचर कंजप्शन को बढ़ाई देबा, जब फ्यूचर कंजप्शन बढ़ेबा रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट जदि सही समय कौन होते हायर, जब रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट अधिक देव आम फ्यूचर रे आम कंजप्शन अधिक करवा, प्रेजेंट कंजप्शन दैट यंग टाइम पीरियड रे कंजप्शन को लेस करवा. नाउ हाई रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट कैन बी चेंजेस इन द अदर वे आल्सो. हाई रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट कैन बर्तमान आम कौन कर फ्यूचर कंजप्शन अधिक करवा. लेट्स से सेम हाई रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, हाई रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट आम कह नो आम बर्तमान कंजप्शन अधिक करवा, जब प्रेजेंट कंजप्शन अधिक करवा ताले कौन हम ना हाई रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट डेफिनेटली द प्राइस लाइन आई मीन द बजेट लाइन इज बी शिफ्ट फ्रॉम ओपी टू OP1, बट कंजप्शन आमर कौन हम इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस साइड रादर वी हैव टू टेक इन अकाउंट the consumption to be here, up and right, up and right, this is the IC2, right. आमे कौन करछि एठी देखा बैक साइड रे जाउछि, इक्विलिब्रियम पॉइंट रहउछि बैक रे, that reflect that we have to consume more in future even though the high rate of interest. As a consumer, if you try, yes even though there is a high rate of interest and consuming more in the future, not at the young time period, not at the present time period, then in that case thus equilibrium point E1 to move to E2, that reflect even though there is a high rate of interest, you have to consume more in the future instead of your present. That means you save more for the future. But in this particular diagram it tells us even though there is a high rate of interest, just a high rate of interest OP move to the OP1, now the equilibrium to be changes, that reflected here. No, the consumer try to consuming right now more, that means he tries save less, even the rate of interest is high, he try to be save less. So there is a trade off There is a trade off between wage and leisure. There is also the trade off between the saving and consumption. I mean the trade off between a present consumption and future consumption. Present consumption means less save, the future consumption means more save. So, this is the way you have to depicting the term what is the interrelationship between or trade off between wage, rate of interest, I mean the wage and leisure, and here it will be the rate of interest and the saving. So, thank you. This is all about of the third module. In the coming class we have to start with the fourth module. Okay. Thank you.